Friends, Shekhar here. I hope you are all safe and in good health. Today I am reviewing a good product, PerkX, which is a automatic software creates high quality viral traffic pulling and self-updating content website in few clicks. A very unique content in this, and we will discuss what is inside. The software very powerful, and anyone can get a big share of the passive monetization gold mine. It is filled with full features and very unique features which has not been created earlier. Literally walks red hot traffic from every social media platform straight to any AdSense, CPA, affiliate link activated website totally on hand-free mode by seamlessly creating unrecognizable vital content images, various other vital contents. This is RSS feed content site builder, automatic blogging system to create and manage revenue making websites. Fully SaaS based software creates standalone website as well as WordPress website. It user friendly creates responsive, customizable, self updating, unique viral content for any niche. First kind personal Google RSS reader with their favorite blog RSS feed collection. Best of all, you can use this in many ways, even to make money with affiliate content feed or regular advertisement. There is full step-by-step video training shows how effortlessly set up a blog in any niche and drive massive traffic into it in just few clicks. Now see the steps, so simple. Logging to this cloud-based app, then activate or an update few details to set up your website in any niche what you want. And last is simple. Sit back and relax and watch as you are bombarded with free unlimited traffic. The market has been flooded with various software in the past, but this is the only software which gives you viral content that too free and which will boost up your traffic and obviously your commission. You can see one sample website. It is created by this software. There are many templates inside which you can use. This is one of them, and you can see how beautifully it looks. It will definitely attract any customer. Let us see. It is loaded with several new features as I told you. It is fresh, unique and viral content. Then supports RTL, which is the only few languages in the world uses RTL text direction. So you can have a very good audience because any person who doesn't speak English, it will simply change the language to his language, his particular language other than English. English is always there. Then viral traffic engine that drive unlimited traffic with this viral engine that works totally hand-free. It is 100% mobile responsive, self-updating sites, and list building also is included. Other features are commenting system. You can choose, you can get comment which your customer will love. Text spinner support, direct integration with spin writer lets you spin posts with unique content for a huge SEO boost. Custom RSS support, then complete content, custom post, customized content, then passive income, custom engagement, multiple post options, social media auto share, step by step video training, and make money with ad. All integrations with 20 ad sections for boosting your commission and your profit. Now see the basic um, front end and its autos. So in front end you are getting fully SaaS based app, 50 RSS content syndication, unlimited content spinning, include list building, review article before posting, choose your comment system, totally hand-free site update, and set up on autopilot. Then Auto 1, it will cost you $37 and it will give you unlimited site license including commercial license. Auto 2 is the gold edition, 300 additional premium sources, advanced template, and all-in-one authority site. Add categories, then which will cost you $47. Then ultimate traffic, you get additional traffic module, which will cost you $47, and which is unlimited free traffic. There is another source including Google Analytics. Now number Auto 4, if you want them to do sites for you, that is also provided. 10 completely DIY viral site builds for you, and fastest and easy way so that you can make money very fast, make 10x profit and incredible value. These are the creators: Amit Gaikwad, Anirudh Bawra, and Prabhat Singh. They are in the market for over 10 to 15 years, and they have got about 25 total years of combined experience. And they have been coming up with all good products which are being really useful and getting good profit for the buyers. Now let us see the bonuses which I am offering you. These are all bonuses, traffic bonuses, which will boost your conversion rate to roof high, and you will get very fast independently doing using all these things. First one is Cartel Pro, then next is Mega Bundle, which has got about 40 or 50, 42 different bonuses, and 2500 copy paste email swipes. And last one is the Aurora Pro, which is also a software, traffic software, which is very widely used and very beneficial to use this. So, friends, what are you waiting for? Just click the link below to get this awesome product with my equally awesome bonuses so that you get your finance freedom very fast and you are good to go. Thank you.